Today I am going to give you very delicious crispy chicken fried recipe. Chicken 100 gram thigh piece. Add salt half tablespoon. Chili sauce half tablespoon. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste half tablespoon. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Then we will mix it very well and marinate for 30 to 50 minutes. Maida flour 250 gram. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Salt half tablespoon or as per your taste. Then we will mix it very well. Please follow the following procedure for every piece of chicken. Add cooking oil. It will take to fry only 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes on a medium flame, our recipe will be ready.